Hey guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts, and this is Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, July 23rd, 2019. I don't have a swap quilt this week, but ooh, look at the bright colors in this guy. I've always loved this pattern, and for me, when I look at it, and this is just rectangles with a border in black against these bright colors, which for me, this is gorgeous, but it always makes it look like these pieces right here, like they're curved in, almost like an apple core. Just the way it's set up, it just reminds me of apple cores, but of course they're just straight rectangles, no curves to it anywhere. This is a nice lap size quilt that I just never got around to quilting. I really love making tops. I do enjoy quilting quilts, but I just love making tops first, so I tend to make a lot of tops and I just never get to quilting them. All of this fabric, well, the blacks I probably purchase from Joann's or wherever, but all of the bright colors are from Connecting Threads. I love buying their little miscellaneous packs. You can buy like charm packs. They don't always have like 42 charms in them. They might only have 20 in it or something like that, or 22. It's been a bit since I bought any. And like their jelly rolls, because Moda has the name jelly roll, their strip rolls, they might only have 20 in it instead of 40 or whatever. But so you're going to get them at a good price, and you're going to get a good variety of fabric still without having to pay a lot of money. Now, I've used their fabric many times and it goes through the washer, no problem. I haven't had anything wear out yet. They've been pretty sturdy, but I really love the way this turned out. And this is on my list for finishing this year. So how about you guys? Do you love bright fabrics against a black background, or are you more of a pastel color? That's it for me this week. Are you kind of wondering what type of quilt I'm going to bring out next week? You'll find out soon. Bye!